I have created this mental wellness AI agent. So what it does, it whenever you are feeling low, whenever you are not in mood, maybe due to a breakup, or maybe India has lost a match. It could be any reason. So you can come to this AI agent and you can uh, like uh, vomit out any of your grudges, any of your pain, any of your feeling. So let me tell you a quick walkthrough of this. So this is where the AI companion here, you can chat with the companion, and we are using Grok API, like Grok free API for this. So I'll say I am not feeling good today. So it will generate some results. Also, you can see there are crisis button. So this is the helpline number, a free helpline number of Indian, like uh, provided services support helpline numbers. So whenever if you are not feeling low, you can also write. So I have also added these numbers in the case of emergencies. You can see the agent is active here. You can vomit out your work stress, you can sleep, and your sleep is stress. Also there is a great feature. This is the mood tracking feature. So what it does, it tracks your mood. So you can like, so if I have clicked here like terrible, so it says that tomorrow is a good day. Now I can write why I'm feeling this, and it will register on this date. And then in the next day I could, so what happens is you will be able to track your mood. Also one great use of this will be, once you have tracked multiple mood sets on the date and occasion, so you'll be able to see what actually breaks your heart for that day. Maybe it be a particular time of the day where you are feeling alone, maybe you're not surrounded by people, your parents, your friends. So you'll be able to track this. Now, well, this agent, as of now, it does not do much things, but if scaled properly, if I have a great team and people who are enthusiasts, then we can build this to greater levels. Like this will be able to, like we can have this project integrated in the corporate offices, where the HR will eventually have the access of a person. So, for example, if I'm in my job doing a work, and I click, yeah, I'm not feeling good today, so and I like, I dial everything, like I put everything in detail why I'm not feeling good. Then eventually an HR, and he will receive this message anonymously. So he will not uh, be actually aware of who's the particular person. So if I feel this, maybe it is due to something in my office, then the HR can know from multiple tickets from multiple people. He can know that there is some particular issue with the office, and that can be fixed. So this is where it can be used most honestly. Have a look of it, and I have also added the GitHub repository of this project, and have a look and judge thoroughly. Have a great day. Bye bye.